Can I make a iron solder under 50 rupees? Let's find out. Last result was crazy, stay tuned. Mainly we need some components to build this iron solder. Fastly I went to shop to bring that components. Finally I reached to shop. First thing we want female socket. Currently we have 50 rupees. The female connector costed me 20 rupees. Sadly uncle don't have 10 rupees change. Means the connector is only 10 rupees. In that 10 rupees change I took very quick. Totally we have 30 rupees change.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the
And after that I went to another shop to bring one secret item. And I finally went to stationery. That uncle has so much electronics items.
I want it now.
So many colors of lights are there, yellow color, red color, green color and connectors also. I asked to uncle to give me one button. Uncle given switch. And uncle was given the button finally. The button costed me around 10 rupees. Totally we have 20 rupees. And lastly we want some unique item to something. And I finally reached to woodwork shop. Shop uncle was not there. I called him and I told I want wooden block. He told okay and he told how much length you want, means I told something length I want uncle. Total money we have 20 rupees and wooden block costed me around 10 rupees. And I finally reached to my home and I checking all things are working or not. Totally we have 3 items, one wooden block and one female connector, one button, and also we need some batteries. Guys, use old batteries, don't use new batteries. And after that I kept my tripod on floor.
बकचोदी मत कर लौड़े.
And after that I took the card and I removed the wooden block pieces, the unnecessary pieces.
Brr brr patapim. Brr brr patapim. Trallallero trallalla. Tung 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 sahur.
And after that I removed all unnecessary pieces on the wooden block. Actually I don't have sandpaper, low budget experiment. After that I am doing smooth, very smooth. After that over. This is a main hardest part. We have to keep 2 holes on wooden block. After that 2 holes was finally completed. Oh my god. And friends, now you have to take 2 batteries and you have to do post-mortem. Guys, inside the batteries don't broke the carbon rods. Main thing that only. Guys, after that clean very well that carbon rods.
Okay.
And guys, be careful while washing that carbon rods. And also I cleaned very well that carbon rods. Sorry guys, something is missing. Find any copper wire. Finally I got one copper wire. Guys, now invention time, let's do it. And guys, remove the insulation of top layer of copper wire for better result. Guys, remove the inside connectors of female connector. We want that. And guys, these all things we want to build that iron solder. And guys, open that Fevicol packet, take out that small bottle. And guys, take one wire piece and cut it in on middle. And guys, take the carbon rod and keep it inside the hole and fill with Feviquick. And guys, like that another side also. And guys, after that keep the connectors on the carbon rod. And guys, create the copper wire like that design. And guys, all things should be in tightly. And guys, in that place keep one button. and connect the wires as you can see showing in video. Guys, if you have a lead acid battery or transformer, try to use. Guys, in my case, I don't have lead acid battery and transformer. I am using with SMPS. It working very well, and first time it creates more smell. Guys, I removed that female connectors. Try to use that female connectors. Tried it can be work or not. Also, it can be work with female connectors. Nothing will happen. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Love you all. Bye.